Rolling out a few mobile computers or a fleet of thousands? The things you'll need each device to do will change over time, and only software enables them to adapt to different workflows and users. That's why your hardware investment rests on the strength of its software capabilities. With Zebra Mobility DNA, you have software to support your organization's needs at every stage during the full and long life cycle of your mobile computers. As your business evolves, so too will the capabilities of Mobility DNA, ensuring you're ready for whatever comes your way. Built with the know-how from thousands of use cases and decades of R&D, this suite of software gives you and your team the agility to stay on time and on task. From developing apps to integrating devices into your systems, making sure they're secure and accessible to manage remotely, to optimizing how you and your workers use the technology. Everything has been anticipated and designed for an easy experience during the entire lifetime of your mobile computers. Because the easier you make everyone's job, the more they contribute. And that leads to higher productivity, longer retention, and greater profit margins. A win-win for all. Zebra Mobility DNA, your mobile device's built-in advantage.